How to fix Cash App instant deposit not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix the Cash App instant deposit not working. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are using the latest version of the application. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Here, you want to look for Cash App. Here, if you find the update button, simply tap on it and update the application to the latest version. Once you have updated your application, any issue, including this one, will be fixed. However, if the issue of instant deposit is still not resolved, you want to open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down and tap on the apps option. From here, you want to tap on Cash App. Now, you want to tap on the storage option. After that, tap on the clear cache option. Once that is done, tap on clear data and delete all the data of the Cash App. After that is done, you want to head back and tap on the force stop option. Tap on OK. After you have done that, you want to open the application, sign into your account and check if the issue has been resolved. If it is not resolved, then another thing you can do is simply uninstall the application. Once the application has been uninstalled, you can again install it from Play Store or App Store. If the issue is still not fixed after doing all of this, then the last thing you can do is simply head over to any web browser and then you want to search for Cash App customer service. Now you can directly dial this number and contact the customer service of Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.